Saranda forest, its enigmatic magnificence, falls and streams crisscrossing the sprawling rapture of green, its flora and fauna mysterious, exotic, homeland of the tribes like Hos, Mundas and Santals, land of the revered warrior Birsa Munda. In this land of 700 hills, located in West Singhbhum district of Jharkhand and partly spreading over Orissa, lies the sale mines of Kiriburu and Meghahatuburu. Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL, India's #1 steel maker, is also the country's largest iron ore producer. In order to fulfill a long-felt need to rationalize supply of raw materials to its integrated steel plants in the eastern sector at Rourkela, Bokaro and Durgapur, and to maximize iron ore production from captive sources in Jharkhand and Orissa, SAIL launched in 1989 an umbrella outfit called Raw Materials Division, RMD. Among the RMD mines, Kiriburu and the adjacent Meghahatuburu together claim the distinction of being one of the country's largest iron ore mining complexes. Kiriburu is in production from around the mid-1960s. Meghahatuburu came up around the mid-1980s. Together, they have a reserve of around 251 million tons of ore. The mines have been modernized in a planned and integrated approach. The vast deposits are renowned for the rich iron content, which is much sought after by steel plants in the competitive age. Ensuring this quality is one of RMD's prime agendas. A well-equipped laboratory with trained personnel for a stringent quality assurance. This twin mine complex of Kiriburu Meghahatuburu produces ore with as high as 64% iron content. A central training institute at Kiriburu, equipped with adequate facilities and a library, trains workers from all SAIL RMD mines. The well-trained workforce of Kiriburu strictly follows the safety norms and promotes a healthy mining operation. Care is taken to minimize pollution at this picturesque Kiriburu mine. Strict monitoring of ambient air quality and sound level is carried out regularly. Sprinklers are used to control the dust and suspended particulate matter. introduction of these slow-speed classifiers at Kiriburu ore processing plant resulted in recovery of fines, increasing the production efficiency and in turn reducing the cost. With emphasis on modernization, automation and development of mines, the production efficiency of Kiriburu mine has been continuously on the rise. The Kiriburu Meghahatuburu Iron-Ore Complex last year achieved a total production of 6.4 million tons of finished product with improved iron content. Under sales fold since 1978, these twin mines meet almost the entire requirement of Bokaro Steel Plant besides supplying to Durgapur and Rourkela steel plants. Today, RMD can boast of meeting their primary objective of self-sufficiency, nearly eliminating the purchase of iron ore from outside sources. Unified control, synergetic efforts and a strong sense of commitment have helped the RMD to go beyond its call of duty, bringing a remarkable change around the mines with environmental consciousness and peripheral development. Planned plantation on waste dumps as post-mining restoration to retain the green. The check and tailing dams at Kiriburu are set up to control water pollution from the effluent discharge. Regular monitoring of sewage water is carried out. Studying the suspended and dissolved solids for the presence of metals like cadmium, iron, manganese, chromium and measuring the oxygen level. Ensuring cleaner, safer water, preserving the rich flora and fauna of Saranda forest, benefiting the people of the surrounding areas. Meghahatuburu complex is no doubt considered as one of the most environment-friendly mines in India. Kiriburu is on its way to achieving ISO 14001 certification, which Meghahatuburu has recently secured. After acquiring the mines, RMD has brought a new dimension to the peripheral development projects and taken a responsible role in social welfare activities. Regularly monitoring of workers' health at the Occupational Health Center in Kiriburu. Maintaining roads to connect the surrounding villages for daily communication. Reaching electricity to these remote villages and improving their lives. Laying pipelines to supply them with drinking water. Providing basic education is a priority activity for all of us at RMD. To such endeavor, we have set up primary schools in the remotest of areas in Kiriburu. Mobile healthcare units carry out immunization programs, various awareness campaigns and provides regular treatment to these poor villagers living around the twin mines.
एक दोपहर और एक रात में 3 टाइम इसको खाना है। कैसे खाना है? सुबह, दोपहर में।
Beautiful beautiful townships have been created in the midst of green. A lake and a greenhouse epitomizes a picture of harmony and tranquility. A well-equipped hospital has been set up at Kiriburu with modern testing facilities, operation theatre, pathological lab and ICU. Our aim is to provide healthcare not only to our employees but also to help and serve the needy habitants residing at the remote areas around the mines. Well-organized townships with amenities meet the social growth and liveliness of people in the mines. Modern schools equipped with updated teaching methodologies educate students till the high school level. Kiriburu has about 7 schools around its township, catering to the educational need of the entire locality. For all-round development of the people residing in the area, SAIL's Kiriburu Iron-Ore Mine widely encourages a variety of sports activities. It also helps to develop and support tribal talents. Rajendra Guya, winner of gold medal at 1989 Asian Games, pride of SAIL. Fully aware of its social role and responsibility, RMD's peripheral patronage through several planned schemes has contributed tremendously in improving the quality of life of villages around the Kiriburu mine and has encouraged these local tribes to preserve their culture as well. Kiriburu Iron-Ore Mine has fully justified the wisdom of its architects, SAIL's Raw Materials Division. Today, it has become a source of consistent and economic supplier of raw materials to meet the need of its steel plants. Being one of the most environment-friendly mines in India, achieving self-sufficiency in production of iron ore, maintaining perfect harmony with nature and its people. Kiriburu Meghahatuburu Twin Mine Complex. SAIL's Twin Light of Excellence.